Okay, guys and gals, this is what we have came up with. I found out that the exhaust is a slip-on exhaust. It does not take a clamp. So, and I should have realized that because it doesn't have any slits in the pipe, you know, so it should have some slits. If it was maybe meant to be squeezed, it would have little slits in it so it'd give it room to squeeze, and it don't. So, and I called, I went to the RPM store, the motorcycle shop near me, and asked one of the service guys, and he said, nah, if it don't have the slits in it, then that's right. You know, it's not meant for to have a clamp on it, so it's a slip-on. So, and I looked up some other KXs online that had the same exhaust, and I just seen no clamps on them there, and not even a weld. So we are going to still cut this off a little bit so it can slide on better and further, so it'll go up into the cylinder better. And I'm going to let y'all see that, I guess, if it'll work. So let's try this. Now what we're going to do here, wrong view. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some tape around this thing so I'll know how and where I'm cutting that. You know what I mean, Vern? I don't want to cut too much off. That's why I'm taping it, so I'll know kind of like where I'm at. I'm going to cut too much off of it. I don't think that's going to be too much. I'm trying to figure out how far it goes up in there. It goes about that far, I would say. I'll try it, see how she works. First of all, we're going to change this old cutting disc out here. And get it off now. I hate this old janky ass cutting wheel I got, but we'll try it. See how it does. Oh, almost. Dang it. There's some other way of getting a spin this thing. There we go. Get a little spin on her there. All right. Let's see here. Not too bad. Turn it around another way and see. Now we'll just take our little flapper wheel. Man, it is fixing to storm here. If you can see the clouds outside, you see what I'm talking about. Feel the breeze coming in already. We're going to put this on there, clean her on up. I don't know how flat that is. Let's see. Yeah, I got my straight edge. See. Really don't have it down level. I need what I need there, but I don't think I got me one. No, I do not. But I think it looks good. Honestly, I can't really eyeball something perfectly. Yeah, that really looks good. Alrighty then. Let's move on back around yonder. Let y'all look at this damn weather. We're fixing a Irma storm. Ooh. Bad. Alrighty. That's all I took. We inside working on motorcycles. Okay. So, hopefully everything will go in there right this time, you know what I mean? Guys, I don't think I should stop it. Don't forgive me for moving the camera around. We're going to get everything situated here. Alrighty. Pretty good shot, huh? Now, let's get this valve still in here. Oh, one thing. Alright. Try this again, folks. Throw it. Activate. Yes, sir. Get her nerds on there. Come on. Can't get my daggone hand up and I'm trying to start it with my finger. There we go. Alrighty then. I think that bad boy is on there, son. Yes, sir. Alright. We're ready to fire it up. Get everything's out of the way. Ah, man, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Get this joker back together. Hey, you know what? I never did pick the deck on antifreeze. That's why I thought I put it in there. Filled her up. Got to get me some fried breakfast. Got to. No real fans or buttocks is about it. Here's the old clamp. Way too big. And oh damn. Get our daggone bolts out here. So God. Down in a damn thing here. There's two more. What are they? Eight blues. Oh yeah. Got one that came out of the water pump that does not go there anymore. That one. This one. Them rear fender bolts are amazing. And they charge so much for them freaking things, dude. It's unreal. I mean, they're not a lot, but you know, still. Anywhere from $12 to $15 for a nut and bolt. Ladies and gentlemen, we have officially finished the pump, the exhaust. Man, we have been knocking it out. Yeah, buddy. I like it. Got to get this fixed though. Don't like that too much, but hell, it works for right now. We'll get that clamp that I ordered in. That other clamp that bends, so it'll be alright. Be able to bend onto it. We can clamp it too. It'll have band clamps on it. That'll be cool. But I finally got it, man. I always wanted to buy me an FMF pipe. It's hard to come up with that kind of money, you know what I mean, real quick. I lucked up this time. Worked a little bit harder and got it. And that Boysen pump also. So hope y'all enjoyed the video. We'll keep it going with more things to come. I hope everybody liked it. Click a like if you did. Hit subscribe, whatever that thing is. Y'all come back and watch some more. Thank you for watching. Peace.